Hello there. Today we are doing bromine. Bromine is one of only two elements to be liquid at standard temperature and pressure, with the other being mercury. Cesium, gallium, and rubidium all come pretty close, as they all become liquids at standard pressure at temperatures lower than 103 degrees Fahrenheit. But anyway, back to bromine. Its atomic number is 35. It is a halogen, along with fluorine, chlorine, iodine, and acetine. Like the other halogens, it's pretty nasty stuff. It's very reactive, and it has fumes that will send you into a coughing fit, and it will burn your eyes and skin. Its density is 3.119 grams per milliliter, which is exactly the same as saying 3.119 grams per cubic centimeter. As you can see, bromine is a brownish liquid, but when I shake it, the sides of the ampule turn blood red. And if I kind of tip it, it goes back to being brown. I'm not really sure why this happens, and Google doesn't have any good answers either, but anyway, shaking this thing, it's really fun. Bromine compounds have often been used as flame retardants. Due to bromine's toxicity, however, this has mostly been phased out. Bromine has also found uses in agricultural chemicals and insecticides, but these two have mostly been phased out in favor of more environmentally friendly alternatives. Bromine is used in fluid for drilling holes for wells. Sulfur bromide is sometimes used in photography. Ethylene bromide was an additive to leaded gasoline, but as that went the way of the dodo, it was no longer needed, as unleaded gasoline has no use for it. Brominated vegetable oil is used in some soft drinks. Potassium bromide as well as sodium bromide have historically been used as a sedative dating back to the 19th century, but they are rarely used in humans today, though sometimes they are still used in veterinary medicine, in particular potassium bromide. Pancuronium bromide is a muscle relaxant that is best known as its use as a paralytic in lethal injections. Bromine is also sometimes used in place of chlorine in cooling towers, swimming pools, and hot tubs. Bromine was first discovered in 1826. Its name comes from the ancient Greek bromos, meaning stench. Bromine is the 50th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. In spite of its rarity, the bromine ion is quite soluble, and it is not difficult to extract from seawater. In practice, most of the bromine recovered commercially comes from brine evaporation ponds. It is unclear whether trace amounts of bromine is necessary for humans biologically, but if it is necessary, it is in tiny amounts. Elemental bromine is both toxic and extremely costly, and it should never be handled without proper PPE. Thankfully, I don't have to worry about that, because the bromine in here is not going anywhere inside the thick walls of this lucite cube, and I could just shake this thing all day. This is really fun. I'm a simple person, what can I say? Thanks for watching.